What's up, you awesome yoga people? Are you ready to tie yourself into knots? We're about to do Garudasana or eagle pose. My darlings, this pose is going to help you with balance and poise. You want to start off in Tadasana or mountain pose. You drop your tailbone down towards the floor. We can start off by standing on the right leg. Put a slight little bend in the knees and that left leg across the right leg, down, and then hook that right calf with the left toes. Sink down into the pose. Make sure your right toes are pointed straight forward. Good rule of thumb is whichever leg you're balanced on, that arm will go on top. Since we're balancing on the right leg first, cross the right arm on top of the left, right above the elbows. Bring the palms of the hands up. If you fall out of the pose, just press your toes to the ground and then go back into the pose. Try to open up your scapula, your shoulder blades, draw them closer together, and then lift your arms up as you sink your hips down. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute. Press the palms of your hands together. Release your shoulders. Relax and release into the pose. Release. Switch sides. Balance on the left side now. Make sure the left big toe points forward. Cross that right leg in front of you, bend the knees. So the right hamstring is on the left quadricep. Point the toes down, kind of hook that calf. Since we're balanced on the left leg, right arm is on top. Just cross the arms right above the elbows. Try to open up through your shoulder blades. Palms come up, and then bring the right hand in front of the left. Cross them, press the palms together. Sink down into the pose as you lift up your arms. Your arms should be about shoulder height. Just focus on your breathing. Find a spot to focus your awareness on. Nice job. Slowly come out of the pose. And that, my darlings, is how you do eagle pose. I hope you have a better understanding on how to do this pose now. Thanks so much for joining me today. Check out my other yoga tutorials and some of the longer videos too for the sequences. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.